How to change the default search URL slug in WordPress. There is no built-in setting that rewrites the $s equals search address, so I'm going to build a clean search page instead and put the built-in search block on it. From the dashboard, click Pages in the left menu, not Posts, then click Add New. The page editor opens. Click the title field and type Search. WordPress automatically creates a permalink from that title. In the page settings on the right, find the URL or permalink area. If you don't see it right away, click the three-dot menu in the top right, choose Preferences, and make sure the permalink panel is enabled. But on most installs, it is right below the title. Click into the slug field, delete whatever WordPress put there, and type Search. This is the part most people miss. If you leave the slug as search-1, your clean address gets a number stuck on the end and it looks sloppy. So set the slug to exactly search before you publish. I always set the slug before I publish because changing it after can leave old links dangling. Hit Publish in the top right. The top of the editor says the page is live and your new address is your website.com/search. Now I want a search form on this page. Open the search page in the editor. Click the plus button in the top toolbar, type search in the block search field, and select the search block. WordPress drops a search field onto the page. I use this block instead of a footer search widget because the footer widget sends people straight to the default query URL. This page at least gives you a clean entrance. In the block settings on the right, turn on the search label and button toggles if they are not already on. I keep the label on because a bare field confuses people. The button toggle controls the search button. If your version has a button text option, change the text to search. Don't chase that field if it's missing, some themes hide it. Click Preview to see what visitors will see, then close the preview and click Update. The page now shows a working search field. Next, put this page where people can actually find it. Go to Appearance in the left menu and click Editor. The site editor opens. Click the header or navigation area to select the navigation block. If it isn't selected automatically, click once on the menu items in the preview. Then click the plus button inside that block, search for your new search page, and select it. Start typing search if the page doesn't show right away. It appears as a navigation item. Drag it into the position you want, then click Save in the top right. That menu update applies to every page on the site. Now open your website in a new tab, click the search link in the navigation, and your custom search page opens at your website.com/search. Type a keyword in that search field and hit Enter. Watch the address bar. The results still load under the default $s equals keyword URL. That is the key difference. This clean search page holds the search form, but it does not replace WordPress's internal search query structure. WordPress has no built-in no-code setting that changes that. If you need the results address to look like your website.com/search/keyword, you would need a plugin, custom code, or server-level rewrite rules. Since we are keeping this no plugin and no code, do not try to modify those rewrite rules. That is how people break their pretty permalinks. The page slug and the query parameter are two different things. Two quick follow-ups before you leave. If your theme does not have the editor option under Appearance, go to Appearance then Menus instead and add the search page to your menu there. Same result, older screen, and after you publish, always test the search form with a real word from your content. Use a word you know appears in a published post so you can confirm the results actually come back. Some themes override the search block's results page, so if the results page looks different from the rest of your site, that is your theme's search template, not the page you just built. That template still uses WordPress's default search query, and there's no way around that without a plugin or code. Thereon says got you a clean search page. Hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.